Morning Business Standard. The market on Thursday, Sensex 40,182.7, up 303.7, Nifty 11,834.6, 95.8. Nifty features downfall 2.8%, 11,831.8 dollars, 73.2, 73.3. Euro 86.1, 86.2. Brent crude 41.6 billion, 41.00. Gold 10 grams 50,167, up 81 rupees. Now present today is important news. Ram Vilas Paswan passed away at 74. Sensex reclaims 40K level after more than 7 months. Optimism around economy reveal stimulus package propels market. Future Amazon plan arbitration over RAIL deal. As a commerce giant has option to move NCLT during the merger process. Now group stocks tumbles. Future supply 98.3 minus 6.2. One day change. A chain solution 98 features lifestyle fashions 84.7 minus 6.2. Feature retails 83.5 minus 5.4. Feature enterprises 11.2 minus 4.9. Features market networks 15.7 minus 4.9. Features consumer 7.9 minus 4.8. Click submits offer for up to 90% to LVB. Now present Uday Shankar steps down as Walt Disney Epic chief. Now present break brokerage see fifth share recovery in question 2. India nearly halves trade deflect with China. Retailers deflate pandemic views to add new stores. Now open. New beginner 300 Reliance Retail, 200 Aditya Birla Passion, new beginning 36 start back, Titan 30 dash 35. Now present first page is over. Last page I will see that Mumbai police puts Republic TV in the duck. Now present one police officer channel named in TRP manipulation racket. Goswami threatened criminal defamation against police chief. Louis Gulick win Nobel in literature. Literature now one lady is the Nobel Prize is come. Modi government plans to move Oxford to India. Have a good business morning. Now Modi invite Canadian big houses to invest in India. FDC Limited now present FDC Limited is now present one is Larsen and Toubro October 1st LNT 2800 Larsen and Toubro Ramco system October 1st. Now Ripco Home Finance is also up. Now price advancement declines. Now present all world indices intraday. Now present next page. Now logistic players set to benefit from higher fight volumes. Not verifying tax returns has serious consequences. Tender care for NSS audit finding not final. Franklin temptation. Market regulator clamps down on MF inter scheme transfers. ICICI Security in spot over Vedanta research note. Now present listed firms told to keep him info of employees for 1 year. SBI chiefs challenges equity raises, qualities growth. Multiple triggers boost street view of Cadill's healthcare. Equity schemes see outflow for third consecutive month. Now is not the time for stimuluses. Now the man who looked east anti-group faces up headwind. Trump refuses to take part in virtual debate. EasyJet forecast first annual loss in its history. IBM to break up 109 years old firms to focus on cloud. Harris Trump's made a greatest failure in coronavirus response. UK want to pay 200 million too. Now present star exit. Now present BS poll new MPC may opt for interest rate phase. India 90 army. Now present is the World Bank picks India GDP construction at 9.3, 9.6 percentage. Now we can make over 1 billion does in 2021. Now accept V-shaped recovery in Q2 corporate earnings brokerage. Now street experts sharp recovery. Now recovery to be more dramatic. Now CCI dismisses unfair businesses practices complaint against Hindalco Vedanta. Now car retail sales up to 9.81%. Valley Arnachalam issues notice to Murugappa family others. ITC to look east for fresh dairy business. Tourism industry seeks GST cuts tax benefits. Inflate to acquired blue equivalent ICIF over 9,000 crores. We have seen recovery in most sectors. Display slowdown, caremakers drive in top of the line models. Now plan is Vistara plans to global flight with expanded flight, hopes to capture travelers bound for Europe who want to direct flight. Voting on to select jet's new owner. Jio to help India lead for industrial revolution Ambani. Now present Paytm targets million apps on its mini app store to take on Google. We have seen recovery in most sectors. Now present despite a slow start, Shahara begins paying in deposits. This is the scam. The Shahara group has broken its silence and said it is repaid 3,226 crore in the last 75 days to its depositors and said it would repay every depositor. Out of the total amount paid, only 2.1% payment where is made against request made by different people to us for premature payments, etc. Now, present one dispute slowdown. Car makers drive in top of the line models. Now, this is the end of the news. India nearly halves trade deficit with China. Now, main page exported to business standard feature Amazon plans arbitration over Reliance deals. Sensex reclined 40K level after more than 7 months. Now present is a scam 1992. So only originals. Risk high toy is high. Hello episodes. Streaming now. Sony appellate. Now present is the over the news. My name is I. Y. Chandrakeshwar.